We are a Canadian company based out of Toronto, Ontario, Toronto in Canada. We are a manufacturer of CNC routers, mainly used in woodworking, signages and different cutting applications. We are a wholly owned subsidiary based in Bangalore. We supply machines all across the country. We have one office in Bangalore and we are able to cater to the whole market across India. Canadian owners, directors, they came to India in 2004 actually looking to develop software here. And then they realized that we have a huge potential to sell this product in this country. And so we started in 2004 by doing one exhibition in Bombay. The response was very good. Then we set up a small office and over the years we have progressed. The challenges that we face is basically education of the customer. They are now understanding, but in the first 3-4 years of our existence, the customer did not know what they could do. So that was a big challenge. And also there are a lot of cheap and low cost machines which are in the market. So competition wise, that is a challenge. As I said, we have 9 different industries. In some we don't have any competition, but in the ones that we do have competition, we do face a lot of Chinese machines which are low quality, low priced machines, good for a certain industry. So there we face a lot of competition. In the woodworking, wood carving industry, we do face a lot of competition with the Chinese products. Basically they are through dealers, so there are different dealers, so they are our competition. We have been a member for the last 2 years now, and also I like that buy lead scheme that they have, where you just pay some money and you have credits and you can buy your leads whenever you think it's right. It's not like other websites where they just send you a whole bunch of anything that sounds similar. Whereas here I could look at the lead and then select it and then buy it. I find that IndiaMart has actually catered to industry specific needs, and so the leads that come out of IndiaMart are very good quality ones. And like I said before, you have the option of selecting the ones you want and discarding the ones you don't want, which I think is a huge help to salespeople, because you don't have to shuffle through a lot of needless bad quality leads. So I think IndiaMart has done a good job in that aspect of their promotion and their campaigns.